In this video, we will going to take up one more problem, how to solve the problem on projections of laminas using the SolidWorks software. The problem reads as, an equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm sides lies on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes 45 degrees with HP and one of its medians is inclined at 40 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. So to do that, first we will go for the SolidWorks screen. So this is the default screen of A2 size sheet in SolidWorks. So take the cursor to the left side, left corner, right click and click on sheet setup. And now you set the sheets to A4 because you have to take the printout in A4. Then show background, I don't want, then say OK. And then you come down to fit this. Now actually first we need to go for sketching. First you make sure that in IntelliSketch, endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical are enabled and all other options will be disabled. Now I want to write the text. So go to write the text, go to text box. Now here you take Times New Roman and here you take the font size as 4, enter. So I need to start typing the text. So you take the cursor somewhere here, then you start typing it. An equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm size then lies on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes 45 by holding the shift key, type 0176 and release the shift key to get this degree symbol, 45 degrees to HP and 45 degree with HP, 45 degree with HP, then and one of its medians is inclined at 40 degrees to 40 degrees by holding the Alt key, type 0176 to get this symbol, 40 degrees to VP. Then draw its projections. Then right click to cancel the command. So go to fit. Now you go to move command, disable copy, you select this and keep it wherever you want. Now I need to start creating the drawing. So to do that, first what I need to do, an equilateral triangular or lamina of 25 mm sides. So you just go to line command. First I will take the horizontal position. So take a triangle of 25 mm, take 25, angle is 0, then take 25, angle is 120 and then take 25, So first you go to line and you select 0.05. Right bit. Now we start creating it. So take 25, angle is 0, then take 25, angle is 120, then take 25, angle is 240. Now I want to write the median. So to do that I will go for IntelliSketch, click on endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical are enabled. And now since I want to draw a line from endpoint to this midpoint, go to midpoint selection and say this. So go to line, take endpoint of this to midpoint of this. Now you need to dot this. So how to do that? Go to select, select it on this and this and this. So what should be the dimension? It is 0.5. Okay. Now I need to block this now. To go to group, select this entire thing and group it. Then go to rotate, disable copy, you select this, take this horizontal position to become vertical. Then go to move, select this and move it inside. Then go to line, take the some distance and draw the xy line. Then here I will go for a text box. So you take the font size as 3. You take here, mark this as A, and you mark this as B, and you mark this as C, and you mark this as M. Now we go to move command, enable copy. You take A and bring it here, then you take B and bring it here, then take C, bring it here, and then take M. Now once you do that, then you go to line command and draw a line from end point of this. Draw a vertical line. Similarly from B also you draw the vertical line. Then go to trim all these things, and now you just go to this and you select this line and make it 0.5. So once you do that and you go to text is here, I will say A dash, and here it is B dash, then here it is C dash in bracket, and again you have M dash in bracket. Okay, then go to move. So first you move it and you take A dash, then you take B dash, then you take C dash, then you take M dash. So this is the first position of your drawing. One of its sides on HP and the lamina makes an angle of 45 degree with HP. So to do that, I will go to move, enable copy. You select this line and copy to the next position. So I don't want the displacement along y direction. So by using the tab key, go to the next block and type 0, enter, and take any convenient position and click on the first button of the mouse. Then go to zoom. Okay. Then go to rotate. Rotate, select this. You take end point of this to end point of this. So what is the rotation angle you want? I want this angle to be 45 degree. Click here. Then you draw a line from end point of this in this direction. Similarly from here you draw a line from this direction. Then now you want to copy this. How to do that? So to do that, first I will go for naming of this line. So go to move, enable copy. You take A dash and keep it here. Then you take B dash and you keep it here. Then you take C dash and you keep it here. Then you take M dash and you keep it here. Now to this I need to write the top view. So to do that, I will go to line, take the end point of this and draw one vertical line of any length. Similarly from B dash you draw one more line again of any length, and then from B you draw this. So go to trim corner between this line and this line. Now we got the point B. Similarly, you draw a horizontal projector from here, and similarly from A also. Go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line. Then go to trim or trim corner between these two, and similarly between these two. And then join line, take end point of this to end point of this to end point of this, and then go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Now you go to select, by holding the shift key you select all these three and you make it 0.5. Okay, of course you select this should be 0.05. okay, fine. Now you take this and you take this 0.5. Okay, now you want to make the naming of this. Then go to move, enable copy. You take B, similarly you take A, then you take M, then you take C. Now once you do that, now I need to see here what he says. Go to fit, So in the problem what it says, it is one of its medians is inclined to VP at 40 degrees. Which is the median we are talking about? B dash M dash. So here this B dash M dash is parallel to HP, so I am getting the true length here. And BM is parallel to VP, so I am getting the true length here. And then the inclination given is also true inclination. Therefore you are rotating directly by an angle of 45 degree with HP. But once that B dash M dash becomes inclined to HP at 40, when the surface becomes inclined to HP at 45 degrees, B dash M dash is on that surface, so naturally it will be inclined. So once this becomes the incline, then this will going to be the apparent length. So you cannot rewrite the same sketch here. So but the inclination, the median inclination is 40 degrees to VP. So since it is the true inclination of the median, so you have to take the true length, and from then you get the locus. Then you measure this distance and cut an arc on that locus. Then join these two, that will be the orientation. Then you copy this and rotate it. So that is how it should be done. So let us see how it will going to be considered. So first I will go for a line command. Take any arbitrary point. Then I will take around 100 mm because I don't know what is the length. Angle is minus 40 degrees. Okay. So you got this. Now on this line I want to copy the length of this. How to do that? So go to distance between, take this end point to this end point. So on this what we do is by horizontal or vertical. So you get 21.65. Similarly on this side you are going to get it as 15.31. So how to do that now? So first I will going to take 21.65. So go to R command by center point. Click on any element on point. So you take any point on this. So what is the radius you want? 21.65. What is the inclination you want? Sweep is 10 degrees. Take the cursor and keep it that on this line. So once you do that, now we got the true length and true inclination of the first position, because you have the true inclination line. On the true inclination line you have to get the true length. Then what I need to do, I will draw a line from this intersection. Remove midpoint. So on this intersection draw a horizontal. Now you remove point on element, again click on this center. So what I need to copy this, or sorry, I need to find out the locus line. So to do that I will go for again R command. Since I want to take the center of this, so naturally I should go to center point and remove end point. Now you take this cursor here and you take the center. What is the radius of the arc? The radius of the arc is 15.31. Okay, what is the sweep angle I want? It is 15 degrees. So you take the cursor here and click on the first button of the mouse. Then you go to trim this line directly here. So you got this point. Now you go to zoom window. Then you remove these two dimensions. It is not required. Okay. Once you do that, I will copy this first. So how to copy? So go to block, go to group, select this individually. Okay. Then you go to move, enable copy. Yes, you take this, take the end point of this, that is the intersection part of this, to the center part of this. Okay. Now we got the position. One point is fixed. Now what I want to rotate this such that this point should come here. How to do that? So then you go to rotate option, select this, then you take this, click for the center of rotation as the intersection point of this, click for the point to rotate from the intersection of this onto this intersection point. Okay. So you got the beta inclination line. Once you do that, so here again I am going to do that. So go to rotate, select this, click for the center of rotation. I will go to take this point, which is the center point. Then click the point to rotate from endpoint or intersection to this intersection point. So now we have the beta inclination line. On that beta inclination line, you are finding or writing the second position top view. Now once you do that, you go to fit, then go to zoom window, bring it near to your screen. So you just go to move, disable copy. You select this entire drawing or this one and bring it near to the screen. Now we need to name them. How to name them? So here I will get move, enable copy, take B and keep it here first. So as we rotate this and keep it, then what happens? This A will come here because you are rotating counterclockwise direction. Then this B and C will come here. Then similarly M will come here. Okay. Then you just go to zoom window. Then you go to move and you keep it here. Sorry. Go to move, disable copy. You select this and move it here. Now we need to do the drawing. Then write the front view. So go to line, take end point of this. Okay, end point is being removed. You take end point, remove center point. Take the end point of this and draw a vertical projector. Then you take A, B. Sorry, C. You take this A and bring it here. Then go to trim this line and this line. Similarly, draw a line from end point of this, okay, to the horizontal direction. Then similarly from B, you take this and write this. Then go to trim corner between this line and this line. Now we need to go to fit. Then go to zoom window. Now we need to name them. Write this line, take the endpoint of this to endpoint of this to endpoint of this. Now you go to split this line till here, and then you split this line till here, then you split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Now you go to select this and you delete this, then you select this and delete it. Okay. Now we have all the drawings are done. Now you go to select by holding the shift key. You select all these three lines and you make that line to be of 0.5. Then go to, now I need to type the text. So you just go to text box and then you click on A dash. Okay. Similarly, you click on B dash. Then you will going to get as C dash. Now you go to zoom window. Then go to B dash, then C dash, then A dash, then go to fit. Okay, then come down to zoom window. So I need to select this by holding the shift key. You select this, and you make that it as 0.13. Then go to text. So you take this, put the caps lock on, type capital X, and here it is capital Y. So here it is VP, here it is HP. Once you do that, now you go to zoom window, go to more, disable copy, you take X, you take VP, and you take HP. Then go to fit, and in this side also you take the same thing and you move that. Okay, so Y is there. Now once you do that, now we need to go for dimensioning. Before going to dimensioning, go to styles, click on ISO, click on modify, click on general, make all these colors as black. Okay, then go down to units, make this unit is 0.12, then go to text, bring it times New Roman here, and to take the font size as 3 and go to lines and coordinate, make it 0.1, close it and then apply. Now we go for distance between this line and this, you are going to get 25. Then you go to angle between this line and this line, again you are going to get 45. Then angle between this line and this line, it will be 40. Now again angle between this line and this, which is 65.36. So what I want, I don't want the display there, so you just come down to this and make it black. Now you are going to get this arc. Once you get this arc, then go to move, disable copy, you select this and bring it here. Yeah. Now we need to type this as beta. So how to do that? Go to text, then click on symbol, yes, font size is 3, and put the caps lock off, type beta, then go to move, select this and keep it. So this is how you will be able to write the entire drawing by using this audited software. How do I know that my problem is right? Even in the final position, you can see that the side is resting on HP, and one of the perpendicular bisector is inclined to VP at 40 degrees, and one of the sides is resting on HP, and the surface makes an angle of 45 degrees to HP, and this is an equilateral triangular of 25 mm side. Since all the data which was given in the problem is considered in writing the solution, and hence my problem is right. Thank you.